a 5 by 5 inch CAL Los Angeles' design on a blank hoodie. That's 13,423 stitches, combining 3D tufting and flat embroidery. Let's get started. Prep and loading. Mark your layout and secure the hoodie to the flat table using spray adhesive. This ensures a stable, wrinkle-free foundation for high-speed stitching. Pattern setup. Finalize your design on the 15-inch touchscreen. This intuitive UI manages the seamless transition between flat and tufting modes. Flat embroidery. Start with the Los Angeles flat embroidery. Our system maintains precision and speed at up to 1100 RPM. Layering. Prepare for tufting by layering 3D foam or 1 to 3 layers of felts. Add denim on top to create a rich, multi-dimensional texture. Tufting stitch. Begin the tufting process for the CAL logo. Independent motors create uniform, dense loops for maximum volume. Backing trim. Unload the garment and trim the stabilizer. For mass production, we recommend using a laser cutting device for a more precise finish. Heat seal fusion. Apply heat seal backing to prevent stitches from pulling out. This is a critical step for professional durability. Primary shearing. Clip the top loops with a trimmer. This improves the uprightness of the threads and reveals the 3D texture. Final sculpting. This step is optional. You can perform a second trim here to customize the final pile height and texture. Completion. Remove any loose threads to finish. Your high-end custom tufted masterpiece is now complete.